To start, peel the curtain pads off your Vinyl Vac by lifting the corner edge of each pad. Please note, the spindle pad may not need to be replaced each time you replace the intake pad. An adhesive residue will be left behind. Use this as a guide to adhere your new pads. Carefully peel the back off the new intake pad. Align the new pad to begin at the top of the intake and slightly over the edge of each side. Your new pad should cover the intake area, leaving roughly a 1/16 inch opening in the center. Repeat the same process for the spindle pad. To maintain your new intake pads, use the new pad brush. For the best results, dip the brush in distilled water prior to brushing your pads. Brush in a vertical motion until the debris is cleared. If you have any questions, feel free to contact info@vinylvac.net.